Program is counting. Okay, input format is input string, print the results. What is the counting mean? The program is very easy to complete. Output is to count the number of vowels, number of consonants, number of white spaces, number of digits, and number of symbols. That is my requirement. To read one string, after that I want to calculate number of vowels, number of consonants, number of white spaces, that means spaces, number of digits, and number of symbols. I want to write this program using Python. I want to take one string, input of. After that, I want to count vowels equals to 0, consonants equals to 0, spaces equals to 0, digits equal to 0, symbols equals to 0. Already as use చేసాను. Okay, I want to retrieve one by one character again. Yes. Then, if I dot is alpha, that means alphabetic or not. If I dot is alpha means that is alphabet. If it is alphabet, I want to check that character is vowel or consonant. Let's say if I in A E I O U, then vowels equals to vowel plus 1. Else, if it is not vowel, automatically it is consonant. That's why else consonant equals to consonant plus 1. Elif. In case alphabet kakapothe, I want to check that is digit or not. Is digit of. If it is digit, D equals to D plus 1. Elif. I dot is space of undi, otherwise space in comparison saripodandi. I double equals to, in single quotes, I want to provide space. Then SPA equals to SPA plus 1. Else. Alphabet కాదు, digit కాదు, space కాదంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా సింబల్ అండి. SYM equals to SYM plus 1. That's all. After that, as is format, you can print vowels, colon, comma, V. Next, print consonants, colon, comma, C. Print white spaces, comma, SPA. Next, print digits, colon, comma, D. Next, print symbols, colon, comma, SYM. Then you can run and say, check why it is wrong answer. Okay, there is no space between colon and value. But మన అవుట్పుట్లో మనకి ఏమొచ్చిందండి, కోలన్కి వాల్యూకి మధ్యలో స్పేస్ వచ్చున్నది. That's why I want to remove the spaces. If you want to remove the spaces, then we are using SCP attribute. SCP equals to empty double quotes. Otherwise, you can use string also. Okay, check this one. Okay, 100% accepted, no problem.